Hello viewers. So this video is exclusively for our teachers. The teachers may be in a school level or maybe in a polytechnic, arts and science colleges, or maybe in engineering technical institutions also. So I already posted lot of videos regarding Moodle, almost 30 to 35 videos regarding Moodle in my YouTube channel GK Learning Platform. So this video is very useful to you during this pandemic situation, because during this pandemic situation and post-pandemic situation, most of the universities are going in the online education. So for that, we need a platform to transfer the content and assessing the student. So Moodle is the best platform for doing this kind of things. So recently I did a course on Moodle basics. I already did a course on Moodle Basics 3.6 2 years back. So again now Moodle Basics 3.9 I did 2 to 3 days back I did the course. So already I worked in Moodle. So actually this Moodle Basics 3.9 is an 4 weeks online course. This Moodle basic courses are regularly offering by the Moodle headquarters Australia. So every 6 months this course has been offered at the beginning of the January, and the first course is at the beginning of the year January, and the next course is the maybe June or July month. Every year it is happening at free of exclusively at free of cost. There is no charges for this doing the course, and because of this pandemic situation, this course has been self-paced mode. So as a special course, this course has been offered during the March 23rd, and because of this corona pandemic, this course has been made as a self-paced course. You can do this course at any time before June 22. June 22 is the last. June 22, 2020 is the deadline for this course. So during this course, we have some activities in this course. So there is no deadline for the activities. We can do it anytime before June 22. So now I am going to, actually I did course 2 to 3 days back, and I completed this course within 4 hours, because I know this Moodle, because I am using for my courses in my institute. I am using this Moodle platform for our students. So because of some basic learnings, we will complete the course within 4 hours. Actually, the duration of the course is 4 weeks. If you are new to Moodle, means you need to go through all the video content. After that, you go to the assessment part, that is quiz and assignment part. So suppose you have some basic knowledge in Moodle, already you used in Moodle, means you can do it within 4 hours and get your certificate. So just I am going to give demo how to go into the site, or how to register in the Moodle Learn Moodle site, and how to go through the content, how to do it in a very simple way. So let's see how to do that. I am giving a small demo of this related to this Learn Moodle. Open the Google homepage. In that you can give Learn Moodle. So here learnmoodle.org, this is the first link. You can open this. So here this is the home page of Learn Moodle. So here there is a link called login. If you are already you have an account, means you can directly go to the login. Otherwise you can sign up the site. You can sign up and register it. After that you can do the course. Here right now we have 2 courses, Learn Moodle Basics and Moodle Admin Basics. So this Moodle Admin Basics little bit advanced level courses. So first you can do Learn Moodle Basics. So actually this Moodle Admin Basics is a completely self-based course. There is no deadline for this course. So this Learn Moodle Basic has been started 23rd March 2020 and will be closing on 22nd 2020. So I have already account. I am going to log in. So I am giving my mail ID and password, and just I am going to give login. So here after opening this is my already I did Moodle admin basics. Recently I completed this learn Moodle basics 3.9. I am opening this course just for giving demo how to do that in a easy way and very quickly. So here already you are a Moodle user, means you know about this page. This is the navigation page and this is the central main page and this is the announcement and deadline pages. So these are all the things that are available. So here there is the first section is welcome to the course and week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So first there is a box here. There is a two different boxes are available here. So this closed box is the manually we can enable this box. That is, we can go through this content. After that we can manually enable this box. This dotted box is a automatically enabled box. If for enabling this box you need to mandatorily do this activity, then only this box has been enabled. Suppose you already use the Moodle platform, means you can no need to go through this document, you can manually enable this document so that your progress bar will increase. Only you can do the assessment part. If you are a new Moodler, means you can go through the entire document. After that you can go to the assessment page. Already you are using the Moodle, means you can no need to go through the content because you know already about the Moodle things. So you can directly without opening this document you can manually enable it. So both the things are added in your assessment part. Even you are watching this video, this have some percentage of course completion. So for that say example I am opening introduce yourself. Even I am introducing myself to the other participant. That's also some grading activity. So second there is an week 1 quiz. So suppose I am opening this quiz. So here already I did this quiz. I can review the quiz. So here totally each quiz having totally 10 questions. So you need to answer the 10 questions and this details of the quiz is available here. So try this quiz as many times as you like to help your check your learning. So there is no one attempt or two attempt. You can use n number of attempts for this quiz to completing this quiz. To complete this activity you need to attempt the quiz it at least once. You need to attempt the quiz for completing the quiz. You need to attempt the quiz for completing the quiz activity. So this is how to do the quiz activities. And also not only the quiz, there is another page is there. You need to go through this content. Otherwise if you know means way to reflect on your learning, you can directly enable this tick. But there is a choice page. What is your previous experience with Moodle? You need to answer for the response for this thing. Then only this box will get automatically ticked. Okay. And there are some optional activities. This is optional. You don't want to do this. If you interested, you can do that. Otherwise, you can left the activities. And again, week 2 activities. There is some wiki pages. So these all the dotted boxes you must do. Then only this box has been enabled. And this content box, the closed box, you need not to. It depends upon your Moodle knowledge level of the Moodle. If you want, you can go through the document. Otherwise, you can manually tick. Whether you go through the document or not, you should tick this enable the document manually. Again, some another optional activities are there. This is based on based on your interest, you can do that. And week 3. So these are all the some resource contents and the activity contents. So all the resource content have closed box. You need to manually tick. And activity content, basically this dotted box. This is after completing this activity, this box has been automatically enabled. Again, here the optional activities are there. And the last week, this is the 4th week, and here there is an resource content as well as this activity content also. Here there is a final summative assignment. This summative quiz, this quiz comprises of the previous 3 weeks. So once you did this, all the activities in quizzes in 3 weeks, you can this question, this final summarize summative quiz questions related to the past 3 week questions. So once I am opening this, so there is a constraint here. So this quiz contains questions covering the whole 4 weeks. You can do this as many times as you like. To complete this activity, you need to obtain at least 70% of the marks. Actually, totally 10 questions are there. For 10 questions, you need to take minimum 7 marks. Then only the certificate will enabled. But there is here flexibility is there. You can do this quiz at any time, many times as you like. There is no 1 attempts or 2 attempts like that. Restrictions are not there. So you can do any times during this during the entire deadline period of this particular course. So actually the motto of this training program is here there is not testing the memory of the participant. They are just testing the knowledge of the participant. That's why these are all self-paced as well as many times as you like you can do the quiz. So that is the purpose. So after doing the 4th week activity, there is a feedback. So here there is a tell us what you learned from this course, that you need to compulsorily answer, then only this will enable. Finally also you should give the feedback. So once you give the feedback, then only this link has been enabled. Okay, you have to complete all the activities. So after completing the quiz, make sure all the boxes, whether it is a closed box or open box, it may be enabled or not. Please make sure that once all the boxes are ticks are enabled, the feedbacks also enabled. This link has been enabled. So you can download the certificate from this link. So how to download your certificate? This is the way how to download the certificate is available. After that, you will get the link after completing all the activities and feedbacks. So this link get automatically enabled. So you can click the link, means after completing the course, the certificate has been enabled. So you can give the, so there is a message, congratulations on completing our Learn Moodle Basics MOOC. Download your certificate by clicking the button. So here there is an statement, the Learn Moodle Basic is provided for free by Moodle. I already during my talk I said it is absolutely free by Moodle headquarters Australia. If you enjoyed the course, please consider these things. And this when you completed this course, this the award award has been given to you. This details are available here. Just I am giving the download certificate. The certificate has been downloaded to my desktop. I am just giving save. So I am opening this document. So this is my certificate I completed during April 2020. So this is the certificate details. So you can use this certificate for your career advancement and some other things. So also you can get your certificate later on also. This certificate is available, always available in your Moodle site. So let's see how to view my certificates. I am giving my certificates. So these are the certificates I got from Moodle headquarters. So during 2019, I completed this Learn Moodle Basics 3.6. So if I would like to download the certificate, now I can. This is available at any time. This is not going to end. And Moodle Admin Basics certificate I completed during the March 2020. Recently, 2 days back, that is day before yesterday, I completed this Learn Moodle Basic Certificate of Completion. So this is available. You can click this link, means you will get your certificate. So this is how do the course in Learn Moodle certificate. I think this video is useful to you. So please go through this Learn Moodle site and register yourself and complete this Learn Moodle basic course before 22nd June 2020. Thank you, or thanks for watching this video presentation. Thank you.